In this video, we're going to talk about how to do FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. This will help you in solving these kinds of expressions. Let's have our first example. Let us use FOIL method. Step 1. Multiply the first terms of each expression. We have x times x, which is x squared. Step 2. Multiply the outer terms. X times 2 is 2x. Step 3. Multiply the inner terms. 1 times x is just x. Step 4. Multiply the last terms. 1 times 2 is 2. Simplify your answer by adding like terms. We now have our final answer. It is that simple. On to the next example. Again, let us use the FOIL method. Y times y is y squared. Y times negative 10 is negative 10y. 7 times y is 7y. And 7 times negative 10 is negative 70. Simplify your answer by adding like terms. And this is now our final answer. Just a quick side note, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, next example. We have a more complex expression, but we will still use FOIL method. B squared times 9. B cubed is 9b raised to 5. B squared times negative 1 is negative b squared. 9 times 9, b cubed is 81 b cubed. 9 times negative 1 is negative 9. Since there are no like terms, we cannot simplify. We can just arrange this in descending powers. And that is our final answer. On to the last example. This time, we have two variables. But that doesn't matter. We're still going to use FOIL method. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times negative y is negative y. Negative x times 5 is negative 5x. Negative x times negative y is positive xy. Since there are no like terms, we cannot simplify. We can just rearrange this. And this is our final answer. Now you know how to use FOIL method when answering these types of expressions. But before we end, you may answer these practice problems and comment below your answers.